Hello everybody and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host Soul, and today we'll take a look inside of Eureka 7 AO Essential Edition on Blu-ray. So here is the cover. Sorry about the glare, guys. The spine. The back, which will zoom in here and down here. Then you open it up and you get this artwork. And disc 1 of the Blu-rays, disc 2 of the Blu-rays, disc 3 of the Blu-rays, and disc 4. And then you get this artwork. And then, first come, first serve, whoever wants it, digital download code. So this has been Eureka 7 AO Essential Edition on Blu-ray. Thank you and have a wonderful day.